Hi everyone, I'm Megan and this is Information Station. Today I'll be talking about how to sign up for a step-up instrument consultation at our store. You can do so online or you can give us a phone call. So here we have our website. You can go to kbimusicshop.com, and this will bring you to our website here. So this is our main landing page. And then you want to scroll down all the way until you see the blue box that is ready to step up. Click here for more information. When you click there, it's going to bring you to our step up page. You can see right at the top, it says click here to schedule a consultation. So if you'd like to just go ahead and sign up right away, then you can do so right there. And if you want more information first, then you can keep scrolling down. Here we have information about our instrument levels. So we have a side-by-side comparison just to kind of tell you more about what makes it a student model, what makes it an intermediate model, and what makes it a professional model instrument. This kind of gives you an idea of the differences between the different levels that we offer. If you keep scrolling down here, we do have the why, when, and how. So why you would need a step up, when you need a step up, and how you get a step up. So for each one, there's a video. So if you click on the actual title, it'll bring you to a video as well. So if you want to watch the video, it's there. And then we have just a bullet pointed list to kind of give you an idea of the benefits. It is a big step, a big commitment, a big investment. So you want to make sure that it is right for you. So these are some reasons why you would take that big step and some of the benefits. If you scroll down, you get to when. So when you want to upgrade, and for you or your students, this gives you a bullet pointed list. You can kind of ask yourself questions to see if it's the right time for you to step up. And then how, it gives you ideas of how you can go about stepping up. So one of the very first ones is obviously you want to come take a look at KBI and see what we have to offer, and you can sign up for a consultation so we can help you out, give you pointers, and steer you in the right direction, or you can, ask us anything you need to. If you keep going down a little bit, we do have individual videos for each instrument here as well on the step ups, and we do have a small bullet pointed list here for what you need to look for in a step up instrument for each of that type of instrument. And then if you wanted to just see all of the step up instrument videos, you can click right here on our YouTube channel link that will bring you to the step up instrument section. If you are looking for an upgrade to your instrument without buying an entire new instrument, we do have some other options as well. So if you just need a new mouthpiece, new ligature, or a new barrel, anything like that, we can help you out with that as well. So once you're ready, you can go back up and you can click here to schedule a consultation. And then here we have our form that you can fill out. So fill it out with the best of your ability here, and then at the very bottom, it does give a section where you can put your listed preferred dates and times for the appointment. It doesn't guarantee your time until we've confirmed it with you. So once you submit your form, we will be giving you a call and we'll confirm your appointment with you. If you have any other specific questions you've come up with too that you want to ask during the consultation, you can go ahead and put it in here, and that'll give us an idea of what you're looking for and if there's anything we should have ready to go once you're here. So you can submit that anytime. It'll come right to us and we can get started. And if you have any questions, like I said, you can just give us a call. We will set you up in a room and you can try out all of the ones that you need to or would like to, and we have more info to give you as well. So thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our new videos coming up too on Information Station and on other additions we have coming to our YouTube channel soon too. So thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you soon.